Hi, so today I'm going to show how to change the air filter on a CRV. Recently I had my check engine light go on because I forgot to change the air filter, and when I took it to the shop it read a mass airflow sensor error, something like that in the code, and they wanted $60 just to diagnose it, and who knows how much they would have charged me more. So all it was a air filter that I forgot to change. So I got a new air filter right there from Amazon for like I think I paid like $15 maybe, I think. And it's a very simple swap out. Anybody can do this. You don't need any tools. Just a bunch of clamps you need to unclamp around the air filter box that you see right there in the screen. So two on each side. There's I think one or two in the back. Yeah, that's the back one. And yeah, there's two in the back and two in the side, one in the front. So just unclip all of them and lift the cover of the air box, and the old filter will be right there. Take it out, swap in the new one, clamp back in, and you're done. Takes like maybe 10 to 15 minutes tops. Only thing is, make sure the alignment of the air filter, it only goes one way. So the flat end of the air filter should be facing the driver's side. Except that there's nothing more to it. Also, it only sits in one particular way. So refer to the box on which way you need to install it. So it's pretty straightforward installation. As you can see, there is a little bit of I had a tough time to take it out because there's not much wiggle room, because it's sitting all the way to the back of the engine bay, and I had to use some muscle to take it out. So it'll help if you can add more clearance by taking the top cover off or whatever. But that's the dirty air filter that I forgot to change. You can see how dirty that is, and this restricted airflow, and the check engine light came out. So that's the comparison right there between the old and the new. So that air filter has around 25,000 miles on it. I'm supposed to change every 12, but I completely forgot an entire interval. So installation, like I said before, it only goes one way. So once you got it right, just throw it in, clamp it back, and you're done. So no need to take it to a mechanic or anybody. I mean, anybody can do this yourself. The only thing is the model number for the air filter when you order. Make sure it's a correct fit for your model of CRV and the year and all that. There's no difference between the models like LX, EX, EXL, whatever. They all use the same air filter, but it might change based on the year. Mine is a 2008. So when you order the air filter, make sure you're ordering for that particular year of CRV. So just clamp back in. Some of the clips may be difficult to get to, so you may need to use both hands or find some way between the wires and get to it, because the engine bay on a CRV is very tight. Things are very close to each other. They have packed so much stuff into that small engine bay, so it's difficult to work on this, but you can always do it. So that's it, and job done. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.